Hello kids, let's read a story. Ganesha and the Moon. We all celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, which is Lord Ganesha's birthday. Come, let's know more about our favorite Ganesha. Ganesha loved to eat. He loved laddus and modaks the most. One day, Ganesha ate too much. His stomach became big and fat. He was so full he could not walk. He tried to hide his stomach behind a big cloth. But his stomach just would not be hidden. It was just too big and too full. He did not want anyone to see him, so he waited till it was dark. Then he sat on the mouse that was like his vehicle and would take him everywhere. And he left the house. But the moon saw him, and he laughed and laughed and laughed to see such a big Ganesha sitting on a small mouse. Ganesha was very angry. He said, "From now onwards, on this day, no one will look at the moon again." And so, on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi, which is Ganesha's birthday, no one ever looks at the moon. So, what is the moral of the story? Never make fun of anyone. It can hurt them and others too. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.